Hi, second graders. Happy Friday. You've made it through your first week of distance learning almost. Today is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. Your jobs today are, your first job is you are going to complete Sunday, lesson number 100. It is a mastery check, so take out your mastery check packet that is in your Sunday folder, and then go ahead and write those words that Miss Larson is reading. If you need to pause in between, make sure you pause, and after she says a word, maybe I'd hit pause, touch spell that word on your own, and then write it down. And then complete your Sunday worksheet number 100. If you need explanation, you can click right here, and Mrs. Menert has some examples and is explaining how to do that worksheet. You can complete a Raz Kids today and then take the comprehension quiz. Then you can click on this link, read how to make a kite on page 262 to 263. You can just listen to that. It's an explanation of Miss Larson reading how to make a kite. You do not need to take out your Journeys book if you do not want to. If you want to try to make a kite using those directions, that would be a fun activity for today as well. I'd like you to make sure at some point today you are reading for 30 minutes, and then you can free write for 20 minutes, and then again upload your writing to Seesaw. Then make sure you've colored in all your tasks on your PLP that are completed. And then if you have done all of your jobs for language arts this week, then you have earned your free Chromebook time. So if your parents are okay with that, then you may finish your work and then log into your Chromebook and do some free Chromebook choice. Make sure it's an appropriate choice that you are doing that is still school appropriate, even though you are not at school. Let me know if you have any questions as the day goes on. I will be on Seesaw and can touch base with you at any point today. Have a great day.